I am Jamala McFadden with the Employment Law Solution. In this segment of ELSU, we will focus on separation notices. In Georgia, employers are required to provide departing employees with a separation notice when the employment relationship ends. It doesn't matter whether the employee was fired, laid off, or quits. The employer is obligated by law to give all employees a separation notice. The notice is a one-page form document available on the Georgia Department of Labor website. It is called Form DOL 800. The employer is required to fill in fields like the reason for separation, dates of employment, and wage information. And if the employee applies for unemployment benefits, she is required to submit the completed separation notice to the Department of Labor. Now, employers need to be careful about the information included in the notice. The information should be both accurate and honest. If an employer provides inaccurate information, the employer could be subject to monetary penalties and/or imprisonment, believe it or not. Another reason to be careful is that separation notices also show up in lawsuits from time to time. If an employer is sued and wants to defend this termination decision based on the fact that the employee was a poor performer, for example, but in the separation notice, the employer provided another reason for separation, like lack of work, the employer's credibility is obviously weakened in that lawsuit. Furthermore, even though most employees are at will and can be fired at any time with or without cause, an employee cannot be terminated for an illegal reason. For example, if an employer states on the separation notice that the reason for separation is that the employee filed a lawsuit against the company complaining about her pay, that statement may be direct evidence of unlawful retaliation, and you can expect to see that statement show up on the first page of a lawsuit against your company. Please feel free to call us if you have questions about the Georgia separation form or employee terminations in general. For more helpful tips like these, please visit our website at www.theemploymentlawsolution.com. Thanks for tuning in.